Hey guys, Chad from Donley, Ford Mount Vernon here. Fresh off the truck, 2025 Ford Explorer. I'm going to tell you my 4 favorite things about the redesign. First is going to be the Vapor Blue paint that is now available on the 25 Explorers. I know they're on the Mustangs. Very desirable paint and it looks great. So I'm happy that you can finally get on the Explorer. So my next favorite thing would be the new front fascia for the 25 model year. You have a longer grille, super sharp looking headlights. You do have LEDs down here. Now keep in mind, this is an active, which would be base model for 25. And you tell me a base model can look this good? Can't wait to see what the other trim levels look like. Now to match the new front fascia, they also redesigned the rear as well. You have a new tail lights, the bar that goes across the middle with sharp badging on the rear of the vehicle that's like Explorer. So as you drive away and people see your tail lights go off in the distance, they know what car you're driving. So guys, my personal favorite part of the redesign is the redesign of the interior. Very simplistic look. You do have a 13.2 inch screen that looks like a tablet. My favorite thing is this shelf right here. All you need to place for phone, wallet, keys. Perfect spot, easy to reach. And on higher trim levels, you have a wireless charging pad there. Also, this little part of the dash right here, you do have your speakers built into it. Very simplistic, and looks sharp. So if you like the redesign as much as I do, come in and just discover the Donley difference.